Hello YouTube, this is a 2021 Toyota Rav4. It's making a weird noise in the glove compartment somewhere in here. I wonder if anybody knows what is that noise, or what's causing that noise. Once again, this is a 2021 Rav4 Hybrid. I have no clue if anybody can help me with that, or if you had a similar situation. I will really appreciate your comments on this situation. This happens every time I start the car, and once the car is off, I turn it off. Sometimes it will do it after a little bit, after a few seconds. Sometimes this will go back again. Let's give it a few seconds. Well, I guess it didn't decide to do it. So yes, guys, I will appreciate your help. Thanks for watching this video, and I appreciate your help.